Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to archive Outlook emails on iPhone. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to open the Microsoft Outlook app on your iPhone by tapping on its icon. This will launch the application and load your inbox where all your emails are displayed. Once your email inbox has fully loaded, you can begin archiving. Navigate to your inbox and locate the specific email you want to archive. This could be any email that you want to keep but remove from your main inbox view for better organization. When you find the email you're looking for, tap on the sender's profile icon on the left side of the email. You'll notice this icon is represented by their image or initials. After tapping it, the icon will transform into a check mark, indicating that you've successfully selected this email. Now that you've selected the email, you'll see 3 different icons appear at the bottom of your screen. These icons represent different actions you can perform on your selected email. Look carefully for the box icon among these options. This box icon is your archive function, and it's the key to moving emails out of your inbox while keeping them accessible in your archive folder. The archive feature is particularly useful when you want to declutter your inbox without permanently deleting important emails. It keeps your messages organized and easy to retrieve later when you need them. Simply tap on the box icon and your selected email will be instantly moved to your archive folder. The email will no longer appear in your main inbox, but don't worry, it's safely stored in the archive where you can access it whenever needed. This is a great way to maintain a clean, organized inbox while preserving important correspondence for future reference. And there you have it. You've successfully archived an email on your iPhone. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.